I discovered 6 legitimate ways to make money online in 2022 and 2023. Most of these methods require no experience and are free to start. And number 1 will pay you more money than you can make at your current work. So stay tuned till the end and be sure to smash the subscribe button for getting new online income opportunities daily. So let's start with number 6, making money using FOAP website. What if you were able to sell the photographs and videos you recorded on your phone to big businesses and start making extra money online? This chance is provided through the website FOAP. FOAP is basically a website where businesses can come to purchase items such as images, videos, and graphic designs. And businesses will pay a high price for these items right here. When you initially open FOAP, this is basically from the point of view of a business that wants to buy these images. What we need to do is go over to the top and switch to creators, and this is where we can really go ahead and learn more about making money with this website. So it says, time to make extra money with your photos and videos. Download the FOAP app on your iOS or Android device. You can go ahead and download this app right here. Let's go through how you can truly make money with this. It claims that just post your photographs and videos and earn cash. When a brand agency or just anyone finds your work outstanding and purchases a video or photo from your online portfolio, they share the profit with you 50-50. In this case, FOAP takes 50% of your earnings. Many people think that 50% commission is excessive. However, without this website, you would be unable to monetize your captured video or images. But don't be concerned. It provides you with the opportunity to earn more money than this. In the second part it says, to take part in creative video and photo missions for brands and win hundreds of dollars. This means that you may make even more money by submitting videos and photos to their missions. So go ahead and learn more about this website, then enter those contests and start earning money right away by just uploading your captured images and videos. Then number 5 is making money using Notion. People make an extra $5,000 to $8,000 a month using Notions without much effort as complete beginners. This website's name is Notion.io. This is a place you can access thousands of different templates that are all fully customizable, meaning that you could literally click on one of these templates right here and just start entering in your data and fully customize it. You can change the pictures, the fonts, the overall style, almost everything. But how you can make money using this website? Go to Planning Templates. These are specifically created for helping you plan your business or your side hustle or even your extra time activities. Notion templates can also be used for marketing projects, freelance projects, startups, HR and people, and so on. Almost every sector Notion templates are useful. But most people don't know how to customize templates using their data. So what you can do here, you customize the templates and sells them. And people are actually doing that thing using Notion. And they make a handful amount of money every month. Just take a look here. This template sold at $50. And the best part about it is that you can sell this template more than once because this can be used by anybody who needs it. They can fully customize it depending on their needs. Just like Canva templates, people can easily customize these templates and use these on their social media. But for creating a template, you need to learn how to customize a Notion template. For this, you will search on Google or YouTube and can find a lot of tutorials on this topic. Number 4 is making money using Respond.io. So, how you can make money using Respond.io? Simply by making reviews about products. Right now I'm on the site. You can see reaches the right audience for your user research. Firstly, here you need to join as a participant and just see software developers average hourly incentive of $200, marketers average hourly incentive of $150, and business owners average incentive of $500. You can make reviews from any niche in which you are an expert. You can literally make thousands of dollars from this website per month. Now some of you might think, why someone gives me this much money for getting reviews? The reason why? It's like very simple. Let's say you're a business owner. Say you are an owner of a famous burger business, and your business is worldwide, and you have the franchise. Now you want to add a new flavor to your burger, or you want to make a completely new type of burger, but you don't know whether it can be like your potential customer or not. That's why Responding.io comes to help you. They go to the business owner and say, hey, don't roll out a product right away here. We literally have your custom audiences and your dream customers right here. You can literally just give it to them for free and have them take a survey, and they'll tell you if they like it or not. So even if you only pay them $150 an hour, you're literally saving millions of dollars. That's the reason most business owners are ready to spend more than $100 an hour for getting honest reviews. And this is how most people make money. You can do the same in whatever niche you are interested in. Just go and open a participant's account and give them honest reviews daily, and start making money right away. Number 3. Making money using Airbnb. You want to go and make passive income with Airbnb, but you do not want to rent out your own office space, your living room, or your car. Don't worry, today I am going to talk about how to make money with Airbnb without actually owning or renting anything. Most people, while thinking about making money with Airbnb, think the most logical way. They don't think most creatively. You don't have to be the owner of anything to make money from Airbnb. So what do you need to do? You need to find people that are either tried Airbnb businesses but failed miserably, or people who want to make passive income from Airbnb but don't have time to create and optimize listings, or don't have enough time to talk with their potential customers. You need to reach out to those people and tell them you can work for them, you can help them, and reduce their headaches. You will create and optimize listings for them and will find potential customers for them. Basically, you will do everything for them, but here is a deal. You will take 20 to 30% commission on each deal or sale. Trust me, most of these, let's say property owners, will become ready to work with you. And if you can work with these types of 10 to 20 clients, you will easily make up to $10,000 per month without owing anything. And if you don't know Airbnb listings or these kinds of things, you can hire freelancers or virtual assistants from websites like Upwork and Fiverr, who can make all of these tasks for yourself for a little price, and you can start enjoying your money. Number 2 is making money with Munch.com. So here we are on the website Munchy. This website is an affiliate marketing platform that allows you to see affiliate marketing offers. But all of these affiliate marketing offers that you are seeing are about to launch. Now what that means is that there are products that are coming to the market but are not yet available now. If I just scroll down, you can see the big launches. So these are the big launches as of right now. Now we can see all launches. So these are just all of them combined. And now we can see the ones that have just launched. Here all of these just went live. But on the right hand side, you can also see products that are coming up or have already launched. Basically, how this works is that you can click on any product. For example, I am just going to go to just launch. For example, I am going to open a product called List Building and Email Marketing. If I click on that, it's going to send me over to a page where I can start promoting that product. So on the right hand side, you can see the vendor, the product name, the launch date, the time, the front end price, and the commission. And then the JV page. For example, if I click on there, it's going to send me over to this page where I can get more info about the product which I want to promote. The craziest thing about this website is you get 50% of all of the profit for each sale. So if you want to make money as an affiliate, or if you have a follower base on Instagram or any other social media, you can pick a product from this website and promote it and start making money. Now comes to the number 1, making money from Etsy. So the first way to make money with Etsy is just by listing products and creating an Etsy shop. If I go and search for something like Canva templates on Etsy, now you want to see which one of these is making the most money. Because the thing about Etsy, and just like online businesses in general, you need to find what's exactly working, and then you want to model it from there. In this video, I am not going to talk that much about making money from Etsy, because I made a completely whole video on how you can thousands of dollars as a beginner, even if you have no or zero skills. This is the platform from where you can make consistently $5,000 to $10,000 per month if you watch the video shown on the screen right now. So these are the 6 legitimate ways from where you can start making money online in 2022 and 2023 and beyond. Hope you get some value from this video. If so, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons and turn on the notification icon. Stay with me and see you in the next video.